So here's the thing that I've been thinking about a lot lately when it comes to beginner photography and beginner photographers. We all start out in this place of exploring and trying to find, what it is that we like about photography and how to look at light and how to get better positioning and how to do better posing and how to make our photography like a lot more creative than what it is. And that's a natural progression as a beginner. And here's the thing, the more that you pick up your camera and the more that you actually go out and that you photograph, or that you stretch your skills and your knowledge outside of the usual, the more creative and the more dynamic that your photography will actually be. So my advice to you is to pick up your camera as often as you can and go out and capture moments that are out there. It doesn't necessarily have to be people. It could be learning to look at the sun and the light that it gives and how that actually changes, and the moments that actually move with it. So take your time with your photography. Remember, it's not a sprint, it is a marathon. You're not expected to know everything and do everything like a pro. And don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself some time and give yourself some grace.